Hi Jack, it's Grandpa and I'm going to mow part of the lawn today with the lawnmower. But the first thing I have to do is I have to open the shed. So I have to get my keys and I have to open the shed. There we go. And now I have to open the other door. And right there is our lawnmower. I don't need to use the ramps because I can just lift the lawnmower out. It's not that heavy. So we'll just bring it to the edge here and drop it down like that. And bring it on out. That'll lock in. Now we probably need to add some gas today. So I'm going to add a little bit of gas. I'm going to open the gas tank. Right there. Oh yeah, it's empty. So I'll get the gas can right here. We'll open this. And now watch, I have to get the spout. So look at that. That's the spout. And we have to get this part like that. And screw this back on. So we can pour. So I'm going to add a little bit of gas. I think that's enough. So okay, now we have to put the spout back inside like that. And screw the cover on and put this little back part on too. And then we should be able to, oops, I gotta close up the gas tank. Gotta put this cover back on.
Don't forget to say okie dokie.
Okie dokie. So now we're gonna start the mower. So I have to get ready. This got all tangled up here. There, I'm ready. Should I start the mower? Ready? Well, that didn't last very long. Let's do it again. Let's see what happens this time. One more try. Jack, I'm just about done. So for that, I'll use the tractor for the rest of it, but right now that's all I need for the lawnmower. So now I'm going to go put it back in the shed. And then we'll get it out the next time we need it. So for now, bye. See you later.